everybody. Today we are going to do a set of French manicure, but I'm going to spiff it up a little bit. First, I'm going to give each one of these a layer of this pink from the Beatles collection, one of them. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a full coat. Is a pink. It's a very pale pink, almost like a nude pink. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna give all these one coat. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna put these into cure for 60 seconds. Well, 30 seconds. And we're done with that color. And I am using my Elena hand, guys. Elena hand I won from Instagram. And I will leave her link in the description box below. But how's everybody doing? And if you're new here, welcome. And I would love it if you'd hit the subscribe button. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. And yeah, we're going to get on with the rest of this. And it's going to be a French manicure, but with a twist with some snowflakes. And like I said, the first I used was this 332, which is from Beatles. And then next I'm going to use McCart 416. And I'm going to put it on the bottom for my French. Alright, let's get this out. Now let's make my French. While them are curing, I wanted to let you know that I got these from Amazon. It is a whole pack of snowflakes. The ones I'm using is like the tealish blue and a white iridescent that has like a purple and blue shift to it. Okay guys, now I done stuck a layer of this grip gel foil art decal layering from She Modern on here. Then put a layer of that on there. And now I'm going to start sticking on my snowflakes. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of my Azure reinforcement gel over top of these snowflakes. I'm going to put another layer of this reinforcement gel. Okay guys, I'm gonna buff and file and buff them off camera, so it'll save us some time, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm gonna put a layer of, or a thin line of this very, very, very beautiful. This is from Rosalind, Shiny Platinum Gel, is what this is, guys. Alrighty, I got them all filed and buffed, and I've got these trinkets that I make, you guys, and I am selling these for 2 for $5 and $1 for shipping. And if you guys are interested in them, get a hold of me through my Instagram or leave me a comment down below, and I am going to attach this to my ring finger. And let me get my builder gel. And I'm going to put some builder gel on this one. Okay, got my builder gel where I want it. Get my gem picker here. Pick up my gem. And now I'm gonna get a brush. And smooth out my builder gel. Once I get this where I want it anyway. Okay, I want that right there. We'll stick that in and cure it for 60 seconds. Oh, I'm dropping everything, guys. All right, now after this gets out of from curing, I'm going to use this again, and I'm going to make me some designs with it. I'm going to apply the top coat, not a base coat, so I'm going to apply the top coat. And then I'm going to put another design on top of it with the Rose Lawn Gel. Watch it come to life, guys. Ooh, so gorgeous. Now you can put top coat over top of these trinkets that I have made, guys. Watch that, watch it, watch it. Watch the magic. Okay, I'm gonna cure these and be right back. Alrighty, I got these cured. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some lines. Designs with these, with this. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of it up through on the top. I don't like that, so what I'm gonna do is almost go around the edge of the. I think it's gonna look better if I go. No, don't like it. One good thing about gel, you can wipe it off if you don't like it. All right, now what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to make this line here look like my ornament is hanging on that line that we placed there. See what the line is? much. Thank you, guys. Trying to get some of this glitter off that I got smeared all over. And that's my end result, you guys. I will see you guys later. If you haven't, please subscribe, like, and share, and leave me a comment down below.